It's Sunday, and we're going to be talking about the issue which has split the community in the past week, the mining company. You will know which one I'm talking about, but we are covering some key details of it right here, which I do believe you should know. So if you enjoyed the video, do make sure to smash that like button and do subscribe if you can. But remember, as always, this is my opinion and it is not financial advice. Going to be diving straight into it now. We're going to be coming over to the first piece that we have. Now this one has been posted by some guy named Kyle F on Reddit, and it says this. So AMC is still the most widely held stock by retail investors, whilst HYMC, the mining company, sitting at 60th. And we'll have a look at the two sheets of data that we have. Now this is the second one, we'll get the first one up as well, and that is over here. So it says Fintel's retail ownership, the most widely held stocks by retail investors. And we can see obviously number one is AMC, which is pretty cool. Now it shows, going back to the point, yes, people are still continuing to hold, and it does still show us that the fundamentals for the squeeze are still there, which is really key. And onto the second sheet, we have, of course, at the bottom, around number 60, HYMC. And that really is interesting, to be honest, if you ask me, for the reason of, when we think about it and when we look at the value of this stock, this one really is more of a penny stock. It's at 135 in price. I do find it very interesting that it already has about, that amount of interest from retail investors. Now, I understand this interest has been there from before AMC. It only takes a quick moment at the 1 to 2 year chart to understand that, but it is still cool that this one has quite high retail ownership, especially in relation to its size as a company. So I think that is the first great detail, again, regarding both AMC and the mining company that I wanted to cover, and the second one is coming from this sheet over here. Now again, this one's coming from Reddit, it's coming from the user NoobMaster420, who posts this. Just the top 4 beneficial owners of HYMC hold more than 100%. This is from the SEC's Schedule 14C, and the link is in the comments. So we can see how this one's working. We can see AMC, of course, being up there, and we can see others too. But the addition has been done of the figures, and it comes to apparently 108%. Now, of course, if this is true, what does it mean? It shows us, as the original poster goes on to evaluate, one, AMC is clearly the first name beneficial holder on the list, which is good. And does it not prove that Adam Aron loves effing with the short hedge funds? Because, of course, he has gone on to save AMC with the ape community, another great loss for hedge funds. And then on top of that, he's not just stayed in his little AMC bubble, he's actually now working on doing the same with another company. I think, again, going back to the initial idea of the mining company, it has got a lot of people torn. A lot of people don't know what to think on it. I'm not telling you guys what to think. Again, for me, I'm not too bothered either way. I'm still here for the main fundamental AMC business. I don't think that the HYMC will have any immediate effect on AMC, but I do see how it could be a great thing. Now, some may look at HYMC as one of the worst mining companies that Adam could have bought, and I understand it. I do completely get that. But as we realised with AMC in the first place, the higher risk, yes, you can lose, you have more of a chance of losing, but the higher risk, generally speaking, the higher reward. If he'd have bought a highly valued mining company, there may have been some room for growth. But at the current market conditions, with gold and silver being so valuable, I think a lot of people see the fact that to buy one of those companies now, the question is, can you actually make any more on your investment? Now, of course, if the market does crash and gold and silver become even more in demand, potentially, yes, you could. But it is always that risk, and what does the long-term price of gold and silver and the subsequent mining companies then be worth in the end? However, if you are to pick up an undervalued version of something, of course, if it does fix itself up, if it does turn itself around, there we see that potential for higher profits. So I do think that is why Adam Aron chose this company, even though it may seem like a poor choice at the beginning. And as the user does go into post on Reddit, yes, it is potentially a way that he can stick it to the hedge funds even more. So it's been a short one, but I did cover everything I wanted to. I hope you did enjoy the video. Make sure to come back for more if you did. Do press that like button and subscribe too. I'll see you later. Goodbye. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.